guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have some special guests. State your name.
I'm Stephanie.
And?
She's Dakota.
And what are you guys going to be doing?
Doing Minnie's makeup today.
Yep, one girl's going to do one side of my face and one girl's going to do the other side, okay? So I need to take off what I got on now. So can someone get me a makeup remover wipe? Or a baby wipe?
And I'm sorry my hair's naughty.
Oh well.
I want smoky eye.
No, you decide what you want to do. I'm not going to say nothing.
Which side am I doing?
Well, I guess you're doing this side. So don't, just pretend there's a line right down the center of my nose. Can you say what you're doing?
No. She's doing concealer, I'm doing eyeshadow. And smoky eyeshadow.
Mm-hmm.
Now it's hard to.
Can you get it open?
Yeah.
I have brushes.
Yeah, I have.
In that.
Can I kind of wipe what I messed up?
Mm-hmm.
Where's the wipes? Dakota? Are you really using mine?
Yeah, because she said just to use yours.
Yes.
You never even said.
Yeah, she did.
No, I mean, you never said you were going to do mine.
She said we were using the same. I said I was going to use her makeup, and she said no, just use Stephanie's.
You can use my foundation and concealer, though.
Where is your concealer?
It's in there.
Oops.
Hey.
And I'm doing concealer.
Foundation
right now.
Do the side of her nose.
It's cold.
Well, you put on cold makeup almost every day, so.
She does it every day.
So every day you put it on.
Yeah, but she's used to her doing it.
Not to little girls.
Yeah, exactly.
Is that all blended in?
Nope.
What are you doing, Dakota?
Blush.
You need a smaller brush
No,
for
I
that.
don't.
These are the pretty big ones.
Yeah, we're supposed to.
Not for me. I have a small one.
Yeah. And?
You guys gonna do everything? My eyebrows, my
Yep.
eyeliner, lipstick, bronzer, blush, highlighter.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Dakota. You can use yours.
No.
So do yours.
Oh, you got my tooth.
No, I didn't. Yes, I am. I'm getting your teeth. Okay. Get it off of your bottom teeth.
Well, what are you doing?
Blush.
Bedroom door's open.
Okay, stop cheating.
Oh, I'm not supposed to look?
No.
Oh.
Hey.
Oh, God. Just calm down. Close my eyes.
Don't open them. Okay.
Oh God, did not use the spit. Use a wipe.
At least I didn't get your teeth.
Oh, what are we doing? Bella's here supervising.
Lip pencil.
We've been out shopping all day, huh?
Yep.
Eye pencil.
This is lip pencil.
What are you doing, Dakota?
Eye pencil.
In my eyebrows?
And it's blue.
Oh, jeez.
And she just smushed it with her spit.
I did.
Do you have a brown?
No. I just did it.
You just did it with blue?
Look. We made lunch.
Yeah, do brown.
Okay. Now my turn to do.
What'd you just put your thing in my... What'd you just put in my eye? What'd you just put your fist in my eye for?
Stop moving!
Yeah, stop moving.
You get to judge who did butter on your face.
No, you don't.
Yes.
No. You done?
Makeup wipe.
I'm gonna say it now.
What?
I told Elisa I can't make them.
I kind of have to wipe all of it off.
Don't.
I just did. I'm a turd.
Hey, can you shut down and put that over there?
Liquid eyeliner.
Uh-oh.
Can you do a wing?
Huh?
Where there's like a little flick at the end?
Yes.
Okay. Make sure that they can see. What?
Hmm?
Oh,
Okay,
geez.
look.
Not that big.
No, you know fix.
You like that?
Yes.
Okay. No, it's your makeup.
Mascara. No, I do it with my eyes open, but I don't poke your eyes.
Okay.
Is that better?
Does that look good?
I'm not looking until you're done. It might be easier if I do it with them closed.
Okay, done.
I don't need a spray.
Yeah, you do.
You like your mascara?
It feels good. It doesn't feel like it poked me in the eye.
Oh no.
No, you're not using that. She wants to use eyelash curler.
No, I'm doing it skin.
Does this keep it?
Yeah, but we don't need to use that because I'm going to be wiping it off.
Yeah.
There,
'cause,
Steph's doing a good little wing.
I kind of messed up, but
No, and then you take it and then you go all the way to the other side.
this.
I'll fix mine later. Before you get it up.
Looks good?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Just a little dot at the end, but
Mine, I have to use this.
My cheeks look tanned and highlighted.
This one.
Where does it go, Dakota?
Right above where you put blush.
Mm-hmm.
and right over here.
Mm-hmm.
Mine's blonde.
I like the highlighter.
Mm.
I picked that
Yeah, that's a
one.
good one.
And it even blends them very good.
And we're all using Steph's makeup she got for Christmas. And my foundation.
Yeah.
No one's used concealer yet. Blend it in.
Got it. Which one should?
Bronzer? Yep.
Where does this one go?
On the cheeks where the blush went.
Okay.
Do we blend the bronzer in?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I haven't done bronzer yet.
Yep.
I saw famous YouTubers do this.
What famous YouTubers do you watch?
A boy.
What's his name?
I don't know.
James Charles?
Yes.
Yeah? Manny MUA?
No.
James Charles?
Yes.
You watch James Charles?
Yes. I need your eye open. You might have to wait.
You don't.
So you can close your eye now. Does that look good?
I'm not looking till it's done.
It's done.
I'm not looking till you're all the way done.
Oh,
New hour.
5 o'clock.
That means hurry, Steph.
okay. What do I use next?
Whatever you want.
I used almost everything.
Have you done all the eyeshadow you're doing?
What do you mean?
Eyeshadow.
Have you given me a smoky eye?
Yeah.
Okay, so you're done?
Not fully.
I'm
This time I
fixing
won't
this.
try to mess up.
Whoop.
And that's...
Why are you plugging my nose?
Holding your face straight, how about?
Oh. This is the new way to do it, ladies and gentlemen.
Apparently it is for my cousin.
Okay.
Liquid eyeliner. Close your
Look at Steph's. Look at how Steph did it. Do it like that. Yeah. Now take it all the way to the other side.
I can't.
No, from the under.
Yeah. Look good?
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
It's like you
Does it
said.
really look good?
Liquid eyeliner. Just
Oops. No, don't eat that! I'm doing another...
Megan!
Sorry. I was just showing them. I won't even look.
There.
I'm doing highlighter again.
You can also put some on my nose and on my chin and right above my eyes.
What?
I can't
Highlighter.
You're half of the chin. Mimi, hold you out in your hands. You have to hold that while we do it. Okay. Now cover your face.
Are we done?
No, cover
No.
your face. Now you can't look.
Yeah, but then they can't see what you're doing. And that's the whole point.
See if you look beautiful.
She's not allowed to look.
I'm not looking.
Her eyes are closed, I swear.
Dakota, what do you have left to do?
I still have to do bronzer, then I'm done.
You can put it, or you can put it in the hollows of my cheeks to make my face look slimmer.
Is this highlighter?
And I am all done.
You're all done?
Yep.
I'm not. I have one thing left, I think.
What do you got?
I'm not sure, but I think I do.
I'm eating nacho cheese.
Why do you think like it has that?
Because I've been eating it.
Okay, am I ready to see the final result?
Yeah.
Okay, hang on. Scoot it up real close.
Cover.
Okay. Da,
One,
da, da,
two,
da.
three.
Oh my. What is this black stuff on my cheek?
That was from your last eyeliner.
Steph, your side's looking pretty good. My lipstick, I got a little overdrawn lipstick on Dakota's side. Dakota went for red. Steph went for
Pink.
nice pink color. Steph's wing,
No.
pretty good. What?
Uh,
No! No, we've already done the reveal.
I know.
What do you guys think? Who did the better job?
Comment down below.
Comment down below. Let's see. Okay, do you want me to tell you how I think?
Yes.
Okay. I think Dakota's eyeshadow, I like the color better, but you didn't blend very well.
Shush.
Steph's little flick wing is better. Dakota didn't even try to get the wing off my face right here. And I think Steph did better at the lipstick. We get everyone's reaction on video?
Yes.
Okay.
Here, can I hold it?
No, I'll do it so it's not so shaky. Alright, Aunt. I'm coming to show you the final product.
You are.
Yep, we're trying to get your reaction.
Okay.
You ready?
Who do you think did the most?
Oh my.
Who do you think did the best?
Who do you, what side?
What is the eye thing going on here?
That's supposed to be a wing. Now what
That's
side?
supposed to be a what?
A wing.
A wing.
Yeah. Now what side do you think is best? Take it all in. Take it all in.
The left.
This side?
Uh-huh.
Yeah!
Steph to that side. All right, we got one for Stephanie. My face?
What's your reaction?
Ow! Who do you think did the best?
You guys did a good job.
No, which side is better? They're taking votes.
That side.
Steph's got two.
No, okay, the right side.
That's Matt's mom. Okay, that's the Steph side again.
3.
Okay, but you got to say which side is better.
This side.
That's Steph's side.
4.
Brandon, no turn.
Hey, do we get to try too?
No.
Let's see what us boys
Steph's
can come
side.
up with. I have no opinion. I'm going to give the PC family answer. They both look beautiful.
Alright, well, Steph won. She got the most votes.
I got 5. Dakota got 4.
5-1. Alright, that's all. Thanks for watching. Bye. Bye.